Hello everyone and welcome to Easy English with Joanna. Today's video is about another idiom used a lot in the working environment when we need to be creative. I'll give you a hint. It involves a box. But before that, remember I help Spanish speakers sound natural and confident in English, so please like, share, and subscribe for more easy to follow lessons. Now back to our idiom. Think outside the box. And since we're on this topic, have you ever wondered why we need to think outside the box? And maybe what's inside the box? Let's break it down. First of all, picture the box. What does it represent? Inside the box you have rules, routines, traditions, expectations from society, family, or work, and familiar ways of solving problems. Thinking inside the box could mean staying within these boundaries. It's not necessarily bad. It can be practical, like when following a recipe exactly as written to bake a cake, or using the same sales strategy year after year because it works, or arranging the IKEA furniture just like it appeared in the catalog. But the thing is, thinking inside the box can keep you confined, repeating the same pattern and limiting your ability to grow and innovate. On the other hand, outside the box is where creativity, freedom, and new possibilities are. It's about getting out of your comfort zone and asking, what if we tried something different this time? Thinking outside the box can mean anything, from swapping ingredients in a cake recipe to make it sugar or gluten-free, to developing a new marketing strategy that goes viral instead of sticking to the usual, or even adapting the IKEA furniture so that it fits your space perfectly, because that's what it was designed for, to transform according to your needs. Now let's see what inside the box versus outside the box thinking would look like across different situations. For example, in education, inside the box could mean sticking to traditional lectures and textbooks, while outside the box could mean using games, role-playing, and storytelling to make learning more fun and engaging. While in personal life, inside the box could mean solving arguments by sticking to old habits like yelling, withdrawing, or ignoring the issue. While outside the box could mean taking a step back, communicating calmly, or even turning disagreements into playful debates. So why is it important to think outside the box? Because the box is just one way of seeing the world. And when you step outside of it, you discover new solutions to unlock your full potential. It doesn't mean the box is bad or useless. No. The box gives us a structure to start from. But once you understand those rules, that's when you can innovate and explore new possibilities. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below. When was the last time you had to think outside the box when facing a challenge in your professional or personal life? I'd love to hear your stories and any other topics you'd like to see made into easy to follow lessons on my channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more idioms. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and see you in the next video.